In today's video, I'm going to talk about 3 high-ticket commission network you are missing out. So what you will learn today, you will learn that why you need to be promoting high-ticket recurring services online. Now what I'm referring to is services that pay you month after month. I'll term it as high-ticket service. Which are the 3 networks that pay you month after month? This is important, especially if you're promoting something online. You always want to be paid every single month. This will allow you to use whatever commission that you have to build another business. How to be approved into these networks, I'll talk about it in the later part of this video. Getting paid by referring your friends or customer to a service that they need is not something new. However, to be paid over and over again is something that a lot of people is not aware of. As long as you have a customer or a friend that's using a particular service that they keep paying, you will get a certain percentage from the sales of these subscriptions. So it's basically a one-time effort that you put out and you'll be paid over and over again. Now it seems to be too good to be true, but however, a lot of services currently now is paying affiliate month after month for continuous subscriptions. So you get a recurring income every month for services like email, hosting and website builder. And by the way, since you're using these services, you might as well recommend your friends and if you like the service. So 3 high-ticket commission-based network are Builderall, Cards and Elementor. Now all these are online services that helps a business owner, especially a new startup, to first set up whatever they need in order to acquire their customer. For example, Builderall is a service that I'm using that hosts all my websites, that I could create graphics, and I also can create an online course plus an online store. Cards is basically an e-commerce store that you can actually subscribe and you can build your e-commerce store easily. Elementor basically consists of different graphics designs or different components like plugins that you require for WordPress. So why a service which people need will pay you in the long run? So why promote these 3 high-ticket commission-based network? It's because this service will pay you in the long run, especially if they are using this service month after month. The best services for you to promote is basically value giving. For example, if you want to promote a particular website builder, it's good they use this service to build a course and give the value and teach people something, and in return they find that your video is useful and the video itself actually teaching them something that they can use to build a website or to help them to scale their business. They will definitely buy this service from you. And first of all, it's good for you to have a website and try out the services for yourself before you promote it. And it's also one of the sure way to get yourself approved as an affiliate. Now most of the sites will require you to be on the services before you can apply to become an affiliate of this program. Now in summary, service-based commission network is the most sustainable for long-term monthly recurring income. So if you're looking for something that's sustainable, always go for a company that pays you months after month. Even if it's a very small percentage, when you accumulate enough leads or affiliates that you acquire, you can actually scale it like in terms of 4 figures or 5 figures every single month. Now you do not need to join a lot of high commission network in order to make a few $1,000s a month. You just need 1,000 good customers that you can build. Now focus on recurring and value-based services is your best bet if you want to be making money online. And first of all, you must like their services and you must be the one that's using it, so that it's very easy for you to tell wow, the services, what is good, what is not good. This is the same as when you watch a movie. And it's also by the way thing, as a human we always share things that we like, things that we love to eat, just that in this case you get paid for it. So I hope this video is useful to you. To like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next video.